Previously, we looked at adding grease pencil strokes to objects using the Line Art Modifier. To improve how it looks, here's a few tips. Enabling in front can help to make the strokes look more consistent. You may also want to disable intersections. Add a noise modifier if you want lines to be less perfect. This works best with a simplify modifier before it to give the noise modifier more to work with. Position and noise scale influence the intensity and the scale of the noise, and increasing the thickness value gives you a varied line thickness. Make sure that the grease pencil keyframe is on the first frame of your animation. That way the strokes will show up from the beginning. The noise is randomized every few frames, unless you uncheck randomize. For how many frames it's randomized is influenced by the steps value. For more grease pencil tips, check out my ebook, which comes with over 800 Blender video tutorials.